Holiday weekend continues as far as we're concerned as we get ready. As the Pels get ready to take on, once again, Ja Morant and the Memphis Grizzlies. Morant up against Desmond Bain on a Euro. Tough shot. Made it look easy. Can you keep him out of the paint? And not when he has a hesitation. Well, see, they're not going to call a carry.
But that's not a carry, Joe. Good block by
B.I. Brandon from behind. Zion to the cut. He got home. And it could have been a second foul by Jaren Jackson Jr. And it's smacked away by Marcus Smart. Right on top of the basketball. A one-man break. Desmond Bain. And he got it. Boy, that was a tough angle.
Yes, it was.
Man, that was soft off the window. Desmond Bain, that's what he does. It'll be Bain. Nobody on him. Nobody on him. So deep into the clock now, Ja Morant. Make him shoot it, and he will.
And that's what you got to live with. When a guy is that good off the dribble, you got to give something up.
Zion get another out of it. He got to the hole, gets the roll.
As long as Bismack Biyombo is up there with Jonas, there's no secondary defender.
Jaren Jackson blocked away by Jonas.
Now they don't have a choice but to come and double. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Desmond Bain. He had so much room to begin with before the pick even. And the stop by Vince Williams.
That's
other way.
Tough angle.
Yep, Bain off the glass. Trey, good look. Brandon set him up. Yes. Drive and a kick. It works. Good pass inside for the easy one.
But on the hit, somebody has to get out.
Dyson with Trey. How about a three? Yes.
It's a good read by Dyson. It's an excellent read by Dyson.
CJ's floater. Yes.
Good job of CJ downshifting.
Roddy trying to get there. Hop, skip, and a jump, and off the glass.
Nice finish.
Zion slices his way to the cup. Brandon's back and fresh. And on his way down, gets the roll. Jaren Jackson, Roddy. And that hurts. Morant off the high screen. And he's going to the line for a three-point opportunity. Williams off the deflection. Gets into the paint. And that sets up the wrong guy.
It's a good pass by Vince Williams.
Timeout.
It's a really good pass.
Follow-away stops the 0 for 5 stretch for the Pels and a 10-0 run for the Grizz. It'll be Roddy on the run-out and a great pass for Biyombo. Really pretty pass by David Roddy.
Roddy's played well.
Follow-away for Jonas. Pretty good. Nice footwork.
I'm going to tell you what I know, Joe. I ain't going to say nothing.
Brandon sets it up beautifully. Drive, kick. Jose.
Good pass. Good pass by Brandon Ingram. You said it, Joe. He set that up beautifully. That's a great play. Like regardless, because you have the right guy taking the right shot. Good tip by Zion. That's a great play.
Oh man.
See that's the call. That's the call.
Runs into it.
Eradicated from the league.
Man, it's going to be a corner for Jonas.
Like that, Joe. Just like that. When they box out.
Zion with CJ, and he threw it away. He thought CJ was going to lead him. Now, Ja behind his back for Biyombo. What a pass. Bain. 3 balls, they're due.
And that one actually looked more in rhythm than any shot that he's had tonight, as far as the jump shot is concerned. Again,
Morant
you got to get back on him.
Good job.
You have to get back on him.
Herb, he's getting Bain out of the way, and that looked like it was on the window.
That's a foul.
Now, Brandon, can you get him going? His spot,
play.
yes.
I love that play.
Now, Brandon Ingram, good move. Go for yourself. Yes.
That was a wicked crossover right there, Joe.
Shot clock down. Notch sees it, gets it on the runner. Well timed. Dyson up against Jaren Jackson.
Nice move.
And he slipped it over to the right side to his strong side. Triple. Got it.
Similar to what they did a week ago.
Now Jose up against Biyombo.
We were just talking to Jose about that at halftime.
Everything shifts to that side.
Yeah, that's the whole point. The floor is tilted.
Nice skip. How about it? Got it.
Right. The floor is tilted.
Ja Morant. And a great job.
Wow.
Man, on his way down. I said he could hang because Dyson was right there. Marcus Smart. The rainbow lands.
The thing is, you just want to corral Ja Morant.
They doubled him. Marcus Smart back to back. Yes.
2 big shots by Marcus Smart.
Huge. Herb in front of us loses Tillman all the way to the hole. Rolls it in.
Good move.
Protected it.
Don't play the play. Play the play up.
Man, it's going to be Morant on the run and the dunk. Double clutch.
But that's a straight line drive. There's no resistance.
Now it's going to be Bain. or make it smart, rather. And, man, he played for contact in transition.
Now it's one-on-one.
Yep. And Zion
Now it's one-on-one. Right. Now it's one-on-one.
Zion again going to a strong side. Nobody there. And blocked away by Tillman. Man taken away by Dyson on the spin. Can't get it home.
Got to shrink this floor.
Dyson stays in front of Ja Morant. Good job by Dyson. He still got it home. Protected it beautiful. CJ popping up a triple. Got it! Bane. And Roddy wide open.
And the reason that Roddy's open, Jaren Jackson has Dyson Daniels, and the whole floor was tilted to that side of the floor.
Dyson comes through. Jaren Jackson all the way to the hole. He's around inside of 10 on the shot clock. An important time for both teams, especially with Ja Morant on the bench. Bane got to the hole, blocked away. And
that should be an and one. That should count.
Right. Jonas on the block. And little jump hook. Extra pass. Morant on the run. Blocked away by Brandon Ingram.
That's the third or fourth time that Brandon Ingram has blocked Ja Morant's dunk tonight.
Brandon on the Euro. Blocked from behind. Bane. Boy, it looked like he was out of bounds. Three ball. Yes.
That's a big shot by Williams. It's a huge shot.
Jonas, how about a little jump hook? Taken away from behind, stayed with the play, and it was Vince Williams who tapped it away. Now you're going deep into the clock. Brandon's got it. Good pass. Zion gets the
That's
roll.
a great finish, and that's an excellent pass by Brandon Ingram.
Serious pass.
Take your time. Understand what Marcus Smart wants to do. Right, you have to know what Marcus Smart wants to do.
On the trail. Free throws. Jaren Jackson Jr. in that same play where he's on the trail and he's got momentum. So a dry spell for the Pels at the wrong time. They were just up by 6. It's down to 2. Trey stepping back. How about a 3? It's going to be an air ball. Jonas after it. Back at it.
That's goaltending
on Ja Morant. Pels by 4. They did a good job inside, but Smart gets there. Bane wide open and buries it. 1-point game. Now you're deep into the clock. Look out. CJ blocked away by Bane. Loose stuff. Ingram couldn't get it off in time. Ja Morant doesn't get it. And they're calling a foul with a 1.5 seconds to go.
When the contact occurs, the ball is out of Ja Morant's hand. Therefore, the contact is being incidental. There will be no foul.
Nice job.
And timeout with 0.4 seconds to go. To the rim it goes. And they call a foul. Jaren Jackson. He's now missing. And he didn't get it. That'll do it. Overtime comes. Brandon instead.
See, and Jonas has to be aggressive.
Right.
That's not on BI.
Going to the
See,
line
that's not on BI right there. Because when that ball comes out of the double team and Jonas has it in there, he has to be aggressive to score.
Morant's mid-range.
That's the thing. If you continue to retreat, he'll continue to walk you down.
Brandon looked back. He knows. Now the fall away. Tough. Got it! Jaren Jackson trying to get there. Spinning to a strong side. Got the roll. Tough shot.
And this ball is going to Jaren Jackson Jr.
That's
the thing. Like,
right. And they didn't take it out
every
of his
time
hand.
that Dyson's been on them, they go.
Smart and the icing on the cake. Brandon from. Will they get it off? At the buzzer. 0-6 in games decided by